girl.
No.
Want me to? Alright, anyway. Sorry. Cause I really come. So I chop off bush them. Another fruit tree. They call it again?
This one?
Yeah.
No, no.
Custard apple.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah man, and the banana them. Along the whole side. Alright. So one are full. So it's up tree, yeah. You want to like it ripe, you know? Enough for the pan, you know?
Yeah.
So what's up?
Where's my full of pasta?
Eh? See line there? But I have put on more wire. So what's up there? And tough still. We should find a ripe one because I bought them then. You see? What is it going to go there and feel that? If it's... You can't climb it. I'll pop down. That's right, let me climb it. Come for that. So what's up there, man?
Mm-hmm.
See? See that? That's what Japan rotten. Next tree, yeah. Put a hole everything off of them. I put a one to marry this.
I saw something funny.
Watch out.
So what's up? Then they are waste, man. I shouldn't like them.
Yeah, waste.
I'm gonna they want them for them.
And if good, ain't there?
Mm-hmm.
Sure, but I cheap you with a fertilizer.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now more or so.
Mm-hmm.
I said you wood in your pan now, see them neither.
Yeah, that. Go on, my farmer was one. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Good fertilizer. Just meeting around here. We're actually trying to get two soursop. That one look full. Yeah, the soursop they look real full. Try to get two soursop so we could eat them or mix some juice. Alright.
Ain't ripe, you know?
Mm-mm.
Never pick it.
Why not ripe?
I want it myself.
And it look big.
You a big mommy, I'll pick it.
Alright, this is my farmer husband climbing to get a soursop. Yeah. That's a big one there. Don't let it burst. There's some big soursop on this one. Yeah, he's good at climbing. Yeah. He's about to pick a soursop so we could either make some juice. Yeah, that's how you pick it. Ooh, don't let it burst, baby. Catch it, baby, catch it. Ooh, that's a big one. Let me take that one up. Let me come around.
How much phone is it?
I'll tell you when I feel it. These are called soursop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're not right. I'm not to go.
This one look unripe, you know?
Yeah, mother, can I get this thing?
Yeah, carrot, we'll get them. We're on the farm. We're trying to see if there's anything else on the farm that is ready.
Plum tree.
What the plum is funny?
What? You fertilize it.
Oh, there's some plums.
Manure.
They're so small. Can I see them?
For manure and fertilize it.
This is called fall manure. We use it to fertilize the fruits. We have some cocoa here. We have some cocoa. These are the little plums there coming along. So we could have some good plum juice. Yeah, that's a breadfruit tree, but nothing's on it right now. Hurricane and Melissa gone with everything. Yeah. We're going to look at the pear tree. It's not my favorite though. I'm trying to see if I could find a jelly tree so I could get some jelly to clean my heart because it needs to be washed off. Yeah, but today we're out on the farm. See if we find any coconuts. Oh, those are called coconuts. Those are called coconuts. Pause. Alright. Still doing a little tour on the farm today. So far we have got a soursop. Yeah, we're gonna make some juice. That's an ackee tree, but they're not really ready yet.
You can spray.
Yeah.
So coconut tree there. I'm gonna show you one more. You see how it look? The one over there, they are dead. Last time I come cut off the wisdom. See it. It'll be enough. I forget to go finish the certain box. Some of these portion.
What's up over? Yeah, ba?
Yeah, man, goat pen.
Oh.
Goat yard.
Oh, this is the goat yard. This is where we keep the goats, but for now they're not inside, they're outside playing. They'll be back later when we go out there to go pick them up and put them back in the pen. Now they're free. There's a little breadfruit here, but it's not going to be ready for the next 3 months, 4 months. Yeah, it's pretty young. And we have some bananas there going. Oh yeah. We're gonna look to see if we can find a jelly tree. But this is like the side gate for the goat pen. We'd like to have 2 hog or pig to put also in the goat pen and call it a goat and pig pen. Yeah, they have enough room here to share. And these are the nice jelly tree here we're talking about. Here we go. Take a look.
We'll pick off 2 off it.
Yeah, that's what everybody's crazy about. The good coconut water. Sure. Maybe. Yeah, this is the big pear tree. It's actually has some blossom on it now. So next year we'll have some pear available. It's very fruitful and faithful. And there's a banana there from Hurricane Melissa passed through. It's right there. So we're going to have it to take to the goat later on to feed them. Yeah, that was a very little tour for the day. Now we have some happer here. They call them the TT happers. They are so delicious. Let me see if I could go closer, where I could show you a little bit of what's going on here. The birds are actually enjoying the happers. Can I get that one beside it for me? Gosh.